Here at Hume, we adore our elegant and durable Ariat boots. Combining state-of-the-art technology with the finest quality leather, they have kept our feet comfy and stylish no matter the terrain. They have helped us brave the elements through the puddles on our walks, the mud in our fields, and even the muck of the stables. Luckily for us, Ariat and Stormcare have partnered up to give us leather care products that look after the countryside as well as our boots. So let's get into the step-by-step guide. After a full-on day in the countryside, our Ariat boots will have shielded us from dirt, mud, manure, and maybe even salt water. Before we do anything else, we need to give the boots a rinse in fresh water to make sure we get rid of all the muck. When all the initial grime from the boots is washed away, we can get a better look at some of the more ingrained dirt and bring out our Ariat footwear cleaner. With a soft brush or damp cloth, we spray the cleaner on the stubborn stains generously and give them a good scrub in a circular motion. Also take care to check the zipper for any gravel, dirt or sand that might be trapped and use the soft brush to clean them. When we are satisfied, it's time to give the boots another rinse in fresh water. We may find at this point the boots may have become completely soaked through, so our advice to ensure no damage to the lovely leather is to stuff the boots loosely with absorbent tissue paper and let them dry at room temperature away from direct sources of heat. This ensures that when we return to our boots, the leather will still be soft and supple. Next, we get a bottle of the Ariat leather conditioner and spray it all over the shoe. With a cloth, rub in circular motions all over the boots, making sure to work in the product and properly nourish the leather. When the boots have dried after conditioning, we then bring out the Ariat footwear waterproofer. Giving your boots a liberal spray with the waterproof solution will allow them to have a water repellent finish in addition to further colour enrichment. Doing this routine when our Ariats need cleaning will not only ensure that they will look good, but also contribute to their longevity, meaning that we can use them as our muddy puddle companions for years to come.